All right. So today I'm going to talk about how you can play audio using Java in any Spring Boot application, right? So there are many use cases that we might not be aware, but for this demo, I will just show you how to use one of the dependency to play an audio for a Spring Boot application starts. You could use this code logic, for playing some funny sounds, play during some debugging session with developers. That way, they get some kind of mental break. Um, and even you could use that sound to propose your date boyfriend or date girlfriend, or anything. The choices are limitless. That's the fun part. But for the code side of things, I'll show you a very straightforward way to play an audio. Um, And let me start up my IntelliJ locally. Okay, where is it? Okay, there you go. All right, let me share the screen. Well, that's not the one. Okay, there you go. All right. So, yeah, this is the regular Spring Boot application. I have just the bare minimum dependencies added here, right? One thing to see here is the Java Zoom dependency. So this Java Zoom dependency is a very lightweight dependency which you can use to play a MP3 sounds. So so this dependency I downloaded from Maven. Let's just go there, download this. All right, so we today will use this class called player and use our MP3 audio frame to play some sounds. Okay, let's start. So we'll play the sound after the application starts. So let's go with player. Oops, what equals to, let's initialize this class. That way it acts as an object. I am going from down to up. That way we don't miss any critical parts. And this is how I love to do coding. Let's see what is this is expecting. So this is expecting input stream. Input stream equals to new file input stream. Yeah, let's go with the file actually because we are pulling in the file. So file input stream would be the good choice here. Obviously, input stream will work, but if you go at the file input stream, right, it extends this particular class abstract class here. So file input stream will have all the better options and so on. Uh, but yeah, we'll use input stream. Put this input stream guy here. Okay. All right, so now it's saying, what is it saying? Uh, yeah, we'll just throw an exception because this is for the demo, but if it's a production level code changes, make sure to handle this. Okay, and we'll let's see. Okay, prepare dot play. Okay, cool. Now, uh, let's add some sys outline. Let's say, oops. Okay, playing some music. Okay, cool. All right, not ready yet. Let's see. This is expecting. What is this expecting? This is expecting a file. I think the best way to use, let's say if you were to program in, let's say if you were to doing this in Mac, the way the path at read will be different. So it's best to start with the path actually. Dot path dot of URI has better features actually. So path dot off, and I did download that file. Let's see where's that at. Um, okay, country roads. Let's see. Let's copy this guy and paste it here. Uh, what happened here? So I think I copied the for path name. Okay. Okay, there you go. All right. So okay. Now what is this return to? Okay, to URI. All right. Let's do this URI. Okay. So we'll read a country road song, which is in this folder, in this path, and then we'll use this URI to get the path. So let's see, and since we are reading from the file, streams have to open. So I think we should try with drive through source. Oops, not this. Try with the resource. Okay, and we'll handle this. Yeah. Okay, let's add a clause as well. Um, not recommended, right? We should not be doing this, but since this is not the production level code, I'm just gonna say print this tag just in case it fails. Okay, all right. So now this input stream being passed in player is outside of the scope that we're doing with file stream. So controls X P. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we are going to read file from this path, pass this as an input stream, and it should play. Okay, should play. All right, all right. Yeah. Once again, just don't do this, and don't do this. Actually, try to handle all of these. Obviously, you won't be running in the main method if you're like actually like doing it, but you could just use this to have some fun. Okay, let's play this guy right here. Just double checking before I execute. Okay. All right, let's do this. Right. Already, I stopped it. It's like over 2 or some minutes more. But yeah, you can use this dependency that I showed you, and use this piece of code to play some audio. And yeah, hopefully you learned something today. And thank you for staying all the way to the end of this video. You guys have a great, 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 great time.